Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into your Quora application. So first of all, you have to open up your Play Store and then search for Quora, and you can find the first application. Just install that application. So after installing Quora, open up that application, and after opening, tap on Login. So in first blank you have to enter your email address, and in second blank you have to enter your password. After entering your email and password, just tap on Login. And after tapping on login, you can see you have successfully logged into your Quora account. So this is how you log into your Quora application. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.